Wow! We're celebrating Marcus Garvey. Hey, a man with tradition, a man with guts and glory, and we're celebrating him because Marcus Garvey is coming alive here in Africa, and we're doing it right here at the area mama?
Airy Mama.
Airy Mama.
Yeah.
Oh, it's run by a guy, he calls himself, his handle is the Proud Jamaican.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, he can cook. Woo, Lordy, have mercy. Woo. I ate jerk chicken, they would just jerk you, honey. Well, it was so good. And he had some, that was curry vegetables I had today. Smacking good. I'm telling you, I'm just so excited about what you're doing here.
Yeah. I want you to stay.
It is delicious. So, hey, if you want more information on this restaurant, hey, just what's your telephone number?
Honestly, I don't know my number out of my head.
That's okay. Don't worry about his telephone.
Go on Google and type in Airy Mom Kitchen, and you will find it. Airy Mom Kitchen.
Airy Mom Kitchen on Google. Are you on Facebook?
Facebook? No.
Not on Facebook yet.
And the same on Instagram.
I'm falling in love. You married?
Me?
Yeah.
No, I don't marry you.
You don't marry?
I don't marry.
You're one of those that don't marry, huh?
No, we come here single.
Right.
Yeah, come here single from
Well,
Jamaica.
hey.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna tell you something.
Straight from Marcus Garvey, homeland, St. Anne.
St. Anne.
Yeah.
Marcus
Bob Marley lived 20 minutes. Bob Marley lived 15 minutes away from my home, and Marcus Garvey lived 20 minutes from my home. So I'm in the Garden Parish of St. Anne. I'm right from Marcus Garvey to St. Anne, the Garden Parish. That's how.
Well, excellent. They're really having a big thing in Costa Rica this month for Marcus Garvey. And you know, I don't know if you know about something happening.
I know about that one.
Yeah. Well, I'm telling you, it's great. I can't wait till you fully open. Thank you for giving us a preview. Wow. Airy Mama?
Airy Mom.
Airy Mom.
Yeah, and you can find us on Google. Airy Mom Kitchen.
Airy Mom Kitchen. How do you spell that Airy?
Airy. I-R-I-E.
I-R-I-E.
M-O-M.
M-O-N. M-O-M.
Yeah,
Airy Mom.
Yeah, and this is because of my mom in Jamaica. She like motivated me so much. Like with my stay here, she would be the one who helping me to be here. So you know, I do this restaurant, and then I'm dating someone here too. So she have a mom, and that mom is like my mom here also. So I have to just say Airy Mom in terms of like a tribute. Yeah, like a tribute to my moms. You know, so it's really for them. I just be here and just do what I have to do.
Well, you outdid it because the food is good.
Thank you very much.
The food is delicious.
Mom is my biggest inspiration. She always teaches us to cook as a man. So.
I'm glad she did because you sure do it good.
Well, thank you very much.
I'm glad she did. So it's nice you invite us down today to celebrate Marcus Garvey's birthday.
Yeah.
And he hasn't been with us for a long time.
Yeah.
Long time.
Yeah.
But his spirit is still here. So we just thank you, and that food was delicious. Yes, okay, stay up in here. That shows his popularity. So join us here at Airy Mom, and we're having such a good time. And this is what tops off Tanzania. Oh yeah, it's a lot of fun here, and we'll see you. But hey, make sure you like and subscribe and ask me questions about this young man over here. Okay, I'll talk to you later.
Respect. Big up yourself. Big up. Big up.
To Rasta, now.